and father actually said he would not ride this with me if I used this. So, hi, welcome back. Today we have a guest in the shop. She's going to be helping me out with, I think we're going to put the fenders on this side, other side, and take the front clip and move it to the back. That way we have access to everything up here that we need to try to get the engine going. And by the way, this is my wife, and hopefully she'll be in here more often. But first thing to do is clean the bed out. Then there is 4 holes for the front of the fender. Gonna bolt those up. She's gonna kind of balance it with a level, make marks on the bed side to drill holes in so we can put bolts in to hang the fenders. Anyways, we'll get the fenders mocked up. I plan on taking them outside and getting the rust out. I don't know if you can see, probably can't see it, but the inside's all rusty, so need to get that taken care of and put some of that rust reformer on it, and then we can bolt them up and keep them on there. So, here and we'll start cleaning it out, and then we'll start mocking up.
Okay.
You want gloves?
Yeah. I've delicate hands, and I have my wedding ring on.
You want to put that in the pocket?
No. These are as big as my shirt. That is also yours.
What? This is.
Yeah. I think next, I'm gonna take it outside, clean it off, get the rust out from underneath it on the underside, and probably won't do much more than that. So my helper's gonna take the kiddo back there inside.
Bye.
But she'll be back for the other side. All right, we're gonna, this might kind of hose this off, get this clean, all the dirt off of it. And then we're gonna work on the inside here. Rusted pretty good. So we're just gonna knock that rust down and spray some of that rust reformer. Maybe spray a little bit on the edge here. But I ain't gonna get any on the patina. I wanna leave it as is. So let's head outside and we'll get to work on that right quick. But before we go, show you what we marked over here. We got a few marks here, and that one is covering the last one. And there was a couple in here that we couldn't get because the spare tire covered it up, but it fit pretty good. So I'm hoping we drill out these and get these set, and then we can come back and try to guess about where those last two are on this side here, and that will just suck it right up to that bed. The bed has kind of a rake to it, like you can tell. So we're gonna line up the top of the fender, what we think the center of the fender is, with that, and it's I think it's 4 1/4 inches below the bed rail. So I'll match it on the other side so our fenders aren't too wonky. Let's go give this thing a wipe down, and then we'll start trying to clean out the inside of it. And hopefully by the end of the night we can spray some rust reformer. I have some somewhere, but we'll spray it on the underside. Well, we kind of rushed it, but just wanted to get something on it. Don't think it turned out too bad. I may let this dry, then shoot it with undercoating or something like that. Or I may just leave it like this, I'm not sure. There's some spots I still missed up underneath the lip. Can't really tell. Let's see, get in there and look, but all in all, I think it went pretty smooth. Don't look too bad. Just sit out here and we'll take a look at the truck real quick. And hopefully next time we can drill all these holes out and we can mount that fender. It needs a rubber gasket between it. I don't have it at the moment, but just wanting to get the fender on there and set so we can take the front clip and put it in the back of the truck. I'm having a dilemma with the engine, where the steering column comes through not enough room to get down there to the where you steer it, and that's splined. And this knuckle that I got is not splined. It's just 2 set screws, as I call them. And father actually said he would not ride this with me if I used this, so it makes me feel it's not very safe. In those words, my other options is to pull this out, lose the diesel, put a small block 350 in it maybe, but that may be kind of too close too. Or go back with a straight 6, like a 292. There'll be a lot of room around it, and but I could use the same hole for the steering column. But I don't know about that yet. I'm gonna look into other options, maybe electric steering or something. See if I go that route if it's not too expensive. So I hate to lose this, but that's the deal on that. So we didn't work on that tonight. But hopefully next time that'll be dried out there, and we can make some holes for these bolts and bolt the fender up to the bed, and then we'll go to the passenger side and just repeat the process. And we'll have fenders on this, and then we can put the front clip back here. That way we can mess with the engine and get a better idea how to get steering in there. I think that'll do it for me tonight. You probably see my helper, or my wife, a little bit more throughout my builds. She said she'd help me when I needed help, and right now we're gonna try to mount the fenders on this and move this, the front clip back. Like, just repeat myself, but if I have her help, I can also try to do the Bronco door and the door pillar and all that stuff. Try to get that lined up. We may jump back on this and try to get the fenders on it. But yeah, we'll be jumping back and forth between builds for now on, unless something stalls out and can't progress with one or the other, then we'll switch. But I think my new goal for this truck is not, I like to have it done by September this year, driving it, but that looks like it probably won't happen. So I would like to try to have it ready for Power Tour next year and try to go to it if I can. I think this would be pretty neat to drive in it. I have a friend that's on it right now, and I'm kind of jealous, so we'll make that our goal. Drive this on Power Tour next year, 2022, and we'll see where we're at that time. But anyways, thank you again for watching. If you make it this far, I'm kind of bouncing between builds, but post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Used to be over the Bronco, but now it's going to be either the Bronco or this 56 International. Like I said, engine kind of up in the air what to do about it. If you have any ideas about steering column, what would work with a older vehicle with a Jaguar like steering rack, but please let me know, because I'll look into it, and if it's not too expensive, then I think maybe I can get it. But I've been looking into electric steering, and I don't know. Yeah, we'll probably put the fender on here this week, get this side, and I do the same thing with the passenger side, and maybe start messing with how to mount the radiator and everything else up front. Hopefully by then we'll know what we're gonna go towards with the steering. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. It's what it's about, just fixing up old trucks and trying to restore vehicles. Never been here before. This is a recent one that we got. It's a P6 International pickup. We got a 71 Bronco, 65 Healy behind it. Then we had a 65 GMC short wide in the barn and a 50 Chevrolet 3100 in the barn, which those may, I said I can put for sale, haven't done it yet. So they may be up for sale soon. So we can throw money into this and get this going. But anyways, that kind of stuff. Please stick around. Be posting again Wednesday and Friday. Been doing it for over a year and a half, so don't plan on stopping anytime soon. But anyways, thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time.